everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be stuffing the first paycheck of June, and as you saw in my previous video, I unstuffed everything that I had previously had in these binders. So I'm kind of starting fresh here, especially with my new budget tracker sheets and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into this video. I've noticed my videos are getting a little bit long, and I think it's because of some of my counting mistakes. So I'm just gonna really try to keep it moving in this video and hopefully not take as long as I have been taking, but we'll see. All right, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 fives. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in tens. We have quite a few 20s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 920. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 in 100s. All right, so let me get organized here. So I'm going to start with my pink binder. And as you can see here, I have a fresh new budget sheet. And so I really like it because this one gave me the option of stating what the beginning balance is. So I'm starting with 750 and I'm adding 50 for a total of 800. So 5, 6, 7, 750, 800. In wedding, I also have 750 and I'll be adding 50. So 5, 6, 7, 750, 800. All right, home ownership, I had 3,500 and I'm adding 500 this paycheck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 4,000. Then in law school loans, I'm starting with 750 and I'm adding 75. So 5, 6, 7, 750, 800, 820, 825. In rent, I will be adding, I think I will be adding, I'm going to save rent for last because I did not write down how much I should be adding. So it should just be whatever's left over. All right, utilities, I'll be adding 25. For a total of 175. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 110, or 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I'll be doing my blue binder. And so in house stuff, I have 0. So I'll be adding 50. So 20, 30, 40. All right, so 20, 30, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Laundry, I'm not adding anything. Gas, I started with nothing, so I'll be adding 100. So I'll do 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. All right, so 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. In Jeep, I started with 150 and I'll be adding 25. So 150, 170, 175. In lunch fund, I'll be adding 75. So 2, 4, 50, 55, wait, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In groceries, I'll be adding 150. So 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is kind of tough because I feel like I need a lot of, you know, smaller bills in here. Okay, how much do I have so far? Let me check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully I don't need to switch this out. All right, restaurants and eating out, I'm adding 100. So I'll do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Moving on to my yellow binder. In clothes, I will be adding 275, and this is because I am planning on buying some new clothes for work. So it's very important that I fund this because suits are not cheap. I am planning on buying them on sale, but I do need, you know, a few new dress pants and stuff like that. All right, so I'll do Yeah, all right. 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 250, 75. And then I'll trade, actually, look. I can trade that for one of these two for one of these. Yeah, all right. So let me count it out. $100, $200, $250, $270, $290, $310, $315, $320, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And then beauty, 75. So 2, 4, 6, 75. Y'all, I was, oh, okay, I do. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 120, 125. I almost didn't see that 50 in there. Okay, spending 50. Date night, 75. 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. 2, 4, 6, 75. Plus the 11 I already had in there. So 86. My Babu is getting 25. And then trees is getting 25. Oh no. Okay, maybe in here. Okay, so where am I? 25 for my Babs. Yes, I did that. And then, oh yeah, 25 here. Okay, and then last but not least, outside lands is getting 50. So 250. My birthday party is getting 25. One, two, three, four, 450, 70, 75. Family debt is getting 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550. Gifts and Christmas is getting 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Vacation is getting 25. Again. Okay. Let me see what I can do. Okay, so what did I say? 25. For 125 total. Health getting 25. Oh, great. Okay. Okay, this is a bigger problem than I thought. Let me go back into my groceries. Oops. Okay, so health is getting 25, so 125 total, and then insurance is getting 25 for 125 total. So let's see how much that leaves for rent. 100, 200, 300, 400, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 525. 525. All right, well, if that's what it is, that's what it is. All right, so this rent will have 1, 2, 300, 400, 500, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 610, 630, 650, 670, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 675. It's crooked. No. All right. Well, while I'm doing this, thank you all so much for tuning in today. I know that I have not been consistently posting, but it's like I've said, and I'll say it probably numerous times again, I am a trial attorney, and so, you know, I get busy. I'll actually be out to trial next week, but hopefully this will satisfy everybody, since this video will be posted the day before I get sent out to trial. Anyway, I hope that everyone is having a great morning, day, night, middle of the night, whatever it is for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please be sure to let me know below whether you enjoy a longer video or whether you enjoy shorter videos or a variety of both. All right, thank you all. Bye-bye.